Advanced trading indicator on IQ option using the breakout indicator. It almost achieved more wins than losses. We used the breakout script indicator, which you can download from the description below. Our breakout indicator has a period of 27. I will show you how to trade with the indicator. Whenever the two breakout lines are far apart, we can trade lower for 30 seconds to 1 minute. The breakout indicator can identify potential trends and help avoid deceptive market movements in short duration trades. Take a look at our breakout indicator here. The two lines are distant, and the trend is going down. Our green line moves down, so let's go for a reversal trade. Another example, the two lines are distant, and it's downtrending. Let's take a 1-minute reversal. We got positive results with GBP/USD and have already hit our daily target. We will continue trading as we demonstrate how to use the indicator and how the strategy works well with IQ option. That was a fair trade. Here's another setup. We have a strong uptrend while our green breakout line is going down and is far from the gray line. Let's trade a reversal based on the IQ option chart. Perfect trading strategy.